As technology has accelerated, so has the speed of life. Conversations, informations, news travels faster than ever before. People, those are working from home, are expected to be connected for 24 by 7. For many of us, irrespective of gender, age, daily life seems to have become a never-ending list of things to be done and tasks to be completed. Get up early, make breakfast, prepare your presentation, reply to those emails, and it's on and on. Life will always be busy, but that doesn't mean there's no time to slow down. And slow life doesn't mean you have to stop doing everything, but it involves finding happiness in simple things, being more aesthetic towards life. Start making some alone time every day to do something that you enjoy and get to know yourself better. This is an act of self-love, a great way to show yourself that you are an important part of your life. Read that book that you have been putting off. Watch that movie that you wanted to see for long. Cook that food that you were planning to try. Whatever you choose to do, make sure to do it with mindfulness so that you live the moment being aware of yourself. By settling into a gentler pace of life, we can find the time we need to live in the moment and increase our sense of well-being by simply staying at home. As the day passed, sky was little gloomy, so khichdi is in the menu. It might rain or not, but the anticipation of rain doesn't harm. What if it really rains? If I have to be honest, I am lazy enough to cook anything else. So we'll have khichdi with omelette and bacon fry. Living slowly also means allowing yourself the time to enjoy all the little things and do everything as well as possible rather than as fast as possible. I hope you like the video. For such more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.